Okay, today I'm gonna show you guys how to change automatic shift knob for Persona 1.6. This is 2009 Persona. Okay, first thing first, we need to open the original one. We need to remove the original gear knob. All right. To remove this, you need to make sure that you have enough space to unscrew the screw. So here you have two screw here, a Phillips 2 screw. All right. So for me, I just move it to neutral because I have the short screwdriver Phillips here. Okay, so let's open it up. All right, it's already been opened. So unscrew the two screw and just take it off. Just pull it. This is it. All right. So the reason why I wanna show you guys about this because I got something. I just bought something from Lazada. Just check it out. I bought it for 40 to 43. Forgot it. That's it's around that. Here we are. We got this guy. We have this. Where's the brand? Let me show you. Here we are. I can see. By Momo, Italy. How I wish it's real one, but well, it's look legit. It's look real. It's kind of heavy, so it's look solid. So okay, for the gear knob, it come together with three adapter. All right, so you have three adapter here with different sizes. So for Persona, we don't need to use this. This is for the gear lever. I guess for other car. Oh, I don't know. No, anyway, we don't use this. Okay, and wrench. All right, we have this. We have this guy, small one. I don't know what size is this. Doesn't matter. Okay, we just slot it in. It's simple. You don't need any mechanical background, I guess. So here on the gear stick, you can see there is a two hole for screw in here. So on the gear knob, you have three screw here. All right, three screw here. So because on this stick you only have one screw, I mean you only have one side of a screw hole here. So make sure one of this screw, because you got three in here, make sure one of this guy it's in here. It's in here. All right. So the other two, it can hold this. All right. This is how it look like. This is how it look like. All right. Let's fix it on and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, it's already been unscrewed. It's simple. Trust me, it's really easy. So now everything's good. Here we are. Here we are. Reverse, neutral, drive, third, second gear, and press the safety button.